You're probably wondering what the fuck is going on in this video. Well, long story short, last weekend we explored the Waterfalls in Vermont, and today this vlog we're gonna go check it out.
Alright, so we just got out of the farmer's market. It was crowded. My colleagues were late, so basically I finished the entire farmer's market by myself. Now we're heading down to meet my another friend, Sally, and then we're going to Waterfall. So let's go ahead and get on the road. So I'm at my friend's place, just 15 minutes outside of Burlington. We're gonna be heading down to the waterfall, and we're on our way.
Gotta say, everything went smoothly, and we were about to walk down the main entrance when Sally said this.
You can go down right here too.
Worst choice I've ever made.
Bert, I got it. Let's go. Let's go.